Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Natalie. I teach the art of hand balancing. And this video is about how to work on your kick-up when your shoulders are very tight. Your challenge in the handstand kick-ups is going to be that your back arches and your ribs are sticking out every time you attempt the kick-up. It's probably usually looking something like this. That you kind of reach this point where you feel like you cannot open your shoulders more, and then that's where you get stuck. So when you practice your kick-ups, it's very important that you do focus a lot on rounding the chest, identifying that point where you have reached your limit when it comes to the shoulder opening. So when you do the kick-up, it's very important that you try to round your back as much as possible until you've reached your shoulder opening limit. Let's say this is here, and here you feel like you would now like to compensate by arching. But what you do instead is here at this point you think of lengthening, yeah? So you do your kick-up, you round your back. You identify the point where you've reached your limit, either by filming yourself or really being very aware. And when you have reached that point, you focus on elevating the shoulders and lengthening, pushing into the ground. So when you do your kick-ups, I would suggest that you focus on finding a somewhat 45 degrees angle that allows you to reach a hollow body position and actually bring the legs together while not getting into that compensation movement where you're arching your back, which is very counterproductive, which can help you find balance in a banana shape, which is okay. Like, not every handstand has to be in a perfect straight line position, but if you want to work on your shoulder opening, it's very important that you find that place where you can reach a hollow body position, even if just for a second. So that would look something like this. You kick up, you reach your limit, and you close here. Yeah, so I'm not in my balance point. This is better than that. Because here you can now work on your shoulder opening in the exact point where you have reached your opening limit by lengthening in that exact moment. And that is the only way how you can really gradually improve your shoulder opening, by identifying the moment when you've reached your limit and slowly increasing the range that you've got. If you have enough strength and you can hold a handstand in this banana position, then I would suggest the same thing here, that from here you try to lengthen, you try to elevate the shoulders and really push out to the maximum and push your chest in, so that you can from here slowly try to close your shoulder line. So this is a lot of hard work and requires a lot of awareness. I would suggest you first try to straighten your handstand out on the wall and then go into this type of work, which also requires a lot of strength. Yes, I hope that this tutorial was useful for you and you can now work better on opening the shoulders in your handstand. If you want to dive deeper into expert knowledge about handstands, have a look at my Vimeo library, which really makes you a proper handstand nerd.